In this video, we'll show how you can put circular progress indicators on a UX component. So you can see here we have two different progress indicators with slightly different styles. So this first one basically is using a blue color for the completed percentage and a light blue color for the uncompleted part. It's showing the percentage complete in the center, and you can see that the 0 point is set to minus 90 degrees. So that's the 0 point, that's the 0 degrees, that's minus 90 degrees. So it goes from minus 90 to this point over here, whereas this control over here starts at minus 180 and has a label over there. And this is, both of them are using the same JavaScript, they just have different settings objects. So if we go to the first slider over here and we go to the slide event, we can see that we have a settings object, and then we're calling into this function which generates the progress chart. It's basically passing in the settings object and then passing in the value of the slider, and then setting the inner HTML of a div called div1 to that HTML. So in order to basically generate this settings object, there's a Genie that'll help you do that. So in order to generate the settings object, you can go to the interactive window and run this function, which will open up the builder over here, and the builder lets you set and test different values. So you can see here we've set the width of the bar to 40 pixels. I'm going to go here and change that to say 8 pixels, and then I'm going to just auto advance the preview. So you can see the preview is just automatically advancing from one setting to the next setting. What you can also do is make the color of the bar conditional based on the percentage. So let's stop that and then go to the color complete and then insert a sample. So we'll go here and we'll insert the sample. So this says that if the value is less than 30, then use this color. If it's less than 60 but greater than 30, then use this color, otherwise use that color. So let's go ahead now and run it. So we can see now that the color is changing automatically based on the value. So it's going to go from green to purple and then over to red, and then we can go ahead here and turn on the label, which is going to show this label over there. So we can then go here and press the show JavaScript button, and this is going to get us all of the JavaScript necessary to render the control. What we can also do though is use Action JavaScript. So I also have an example over here. So let's go over here to this button, and if we look at this button, we can see that it's got the circular progress indicator, and if we press the edit button, we open up the Genie over here where we can go ahead and set all of the values, then just click OK. So let's go here and change our thickness to 30 pixels. Click OK, save this, and then go to working preview now and set the slider over there and then hit the button. You can see, so actually on the slider I already have an on change event that is clicking this button over there. So what we've shown in this video is how you can create very attractive looking circular progress indicators, which can be used to display progress of some event, but can also be used in dashboards to show the different values of certain parameters. Thanks very much for watching.